Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see Instagram messages without seeing. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first thing I would suggest, go to settings, scroll down and simply go to the option called apps. I'll find your Instagram app over here. Found it. Now go to this notification options and allow sound and vibration, lock screen. Make sure this particular one is allowed, right? And tap on it again and make it allowed. Go back. Now access your Instagram. So what would that do is, if you get a message, like let's say you got a message from somebody, you can simply scroll down your taskbar and simply tap on this little drop down icon, and you will be able to see that particular message, right? If it's short enough, even if it's long enough, you will be able to. But if they have sent you a video file or a photo that you would like to see, you're interested about but do not find that scene one, then you gotta go to your messages, simply turn off your network connection and tap on the particular message, right? And simply see it. Once you are done, you're gonna go back and again turn on your network connection and simply go back, refresh your ones, and so you will get the, you will know it, but that person won't know, because at that time your internet was off, so Instagram couldn't detect whether you checked out the message or not, so they won't get notified and won't be able to see that. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.